How to collect Me Coin in Getapps for new user step by step. Play Store and Getapps are less similar, but Getapps is different from Play Store because it having collect coin section. Open Getapp. Go to collect coin section. Step 1, check in.
Step 2, discover task, scroll.
Step 3, open unused apps task, install any 3 apps for hidden task shown. Step 4, install and selected open apps. Step 5, get tomorrow apps 5 plus 5 tasks. Step 6, if you want to delete the whole install app from Getapps, then you can delete it.
Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel Shadab's Random Video, and thanks for watching.